How to make Instagram story music longer than 15 seconds. Hey everyone, it's me Jessica from Create, Login and Delete. Here is how to make Instagram story music longer than 15 seconds, and yes, it works. So first of all, open the Instagram app on a mobile device and make sure that you are logged into your Instagram account. Once inside the Instagram app, simply go to the Instagram story. And here, tap on the photos option available at the bottom right corner of your screen or simply start recording a video for Instagram story. Make sure the video is longer than 15 seconds. So as you can see, my video is 25 seconds longer. Now tap on the done option available at the top right corner. Then tap on the music icon at the top. Now, at each music at last, you will get to see minute or time option available there. 3 minutes 59 seconds. Make sure you choose the song that is more than 15 seconds. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.